for today's video, I am going to be doing my March favorites because it is that time of the month. It is that time of the month. It is the end of March. I'm going to talk about my favorite things like skincare, makeup, random stuff, you know? So yeah, we're just gonna get into this video. I hope you enjoy, and yeah, let's get started. My first product is the Cosrx AHA BHA Clarifying Treatment Toner. Now, I love this so much. While using my cleanser and exfoliator, putting this on, it just kind of refreshes my skin a little bit more, which is nice. I'm sorry. It's just really nice. It doesn't have a scent to it. It's very refreshing. I really like it. It doesn't like mess with my skin or anything. So I really like this. 10 out of 10 would recommend. The next product is EOP Super Vital Eye Cream. Now this is like a travel test size. So I'm gonna have to end up getting the full size of it, but I really like this under eye cream. I get like dark like right here under my eyes, and it really helps with that a whole lot, and it's just really nice and I love it. So I'm probably gonna get the full size of this. You've seen this in my videos, probably, well, in my skincare video, so if you want to watch that video you can. But it is the Laneige Water Bank Moisture Cream for normal to dry skin. I love this moisturizer so much. This moisturizer is amazing. I just love it. It's awesome. Ow. It's just amazing and I love it. It smells really refreshing and it has like almost like a little citrusy scent to it, but I'm starting to run low on it. Well, not really starting to run low, but it's getting low. The final skincare product is another like tester. It's the Urban Echo please don't yell at me. Harakiki emulsion stuff from the SEM. I got this at KCON and I haven't tried it yet, but I started using it and I actually really like it. So I hope that they still have it, but if not, I will cry. But I will make do. But I really like this. This is like refreshing. I can either like skip out on the moisturizer and just use the emulsion, or use both, or just do moisturizer. It depends on like the day and stuff. So like I really personally like this. The smell is really nice. It's not strong. It gets on your skin like gently. It's just really nice. The first product is the Dermablend Professional Loose Setting Powder. Absolutely love this powder. I was in the like search for a new powder because my old powder left me looking like Flashback Mary a little bit, and I'm already pale, so I needed a new one. Plus it also like made some areas like look patchy and didn't look good in Flash.
You're the fake eyelash at the bottom of this.
It's lightweight, which is really good. It blends really nicely too. I'm probably gonna be using this forever. The next product is the ColourPop Super Shock Cheek in the shade Flexitarian. It is a highlighter. I absolutely love this. I'm currently wearing it today and I love it so much. It's one, cheap, two, the quality amazing. It's just a really good highlighter. If you're looking for a cheap but good quality highlighter, use this one, or just any ColourPop highlighter. Honestly, use any ColourPop product because literally their products are just amazing.
If you want to sponsor me ColourPop or send me PR, hit me up.
The next product is the Etude House Play Color Eyes eyeshadow palette. John got this for me for my birthday actually, and I absolutely love this palette because one, the colors, because they really bring out blue eyes, so it's really nice. And also just everything about it is cute, and just I really love the colors. I'm playing with all of them. I really like the winey shades, but I really like this palette. I'm probably gonna buy more of these different palettes. And then the final makeup product is the Stila liquid eyeshadow in the shade Diamond Dust. My sister actually got this for me for my birthday because I would use hers, so I wanted one. And I absolutely love this. I'm wearing it on my eyes currently, and I absolutely love this. It's just really nice. You can build it up. You can use it for a cut crease, obviously, or just anything. You can wear it normally. And what I usually like to do is I take a Morphe M124 brush and I take the applicator, and then I take the brush, put the brush on the applicator to take off like the glitter, and then I just dab it onto my eyelid so that it isn't like over powerful. The first song is Miro by Stray Kids. This song gets me in such a good mood. It's just like a good like hyping yourself up song. It's like a party song kind of. You can listen to it while you're working out or just doing anything. I love it because it just gets me in a good mood, and it came out like a week ago, but like, you know what, that's fine. That's fine. Next song is Can You Hear Me by Amber Mark. So, you know how Spotify like created those like zodiac playlists like for your zodiac sign? Well, since I'm a Pisces, obviously I'm gonna listen to the Pisces playlist. So the song Can You Hear Me by Amber Mark came up in it. So I listened to it, I'm like, ooh, this is really good. So I listened to it and I'm like, okay, this is really good. I really like this because it just kind of lifts me up a little bit. It just has a good beat and just, I really like it. Next song is Noir by Sunmi, and let me just say, our queen Sunmi, love her. She releases bops after bops. Noir is just such a good song, just between the lyrics and the music video. The music video is just amazing because the song is kind of like about how social media is like destroying us a little bit, which is amazing, and I love that. But just like, the song is just so good and just has a good message, and just, I love it. Final song is Lay All Your Love on Me by ABBA. Now, this song is a great song if you want to be dramatic in your bedroom, just like when you're cleaning your room or something and you just want to dramatically dance or something. This is the song. It's just a good song to be dramatic to. That's all I gotta say. To the random stuff, because I have random stuff that I like that really don't have a category, but you know what, that's fine. The Tool Fine Needlepoint Pen. I pen, pal, and journal, so I obviously like having nice pens, and this pen is so nice. Ugh, I love it. It makes my handwriting look so good, so good. And I just really like it, and 10 out of 10 would recommend using it. I'm going to like list all of the stuff in the description box so that way you can get the stuff, you know. And next, I guess this is like a food category. I didn't have a food category, but I love mashed sweet potatoes. So I had mashed sweet potatoes and I fell in love with them. They're just so good. One, for you, they're really good for you, and two, just put some cinnamon, some butter, and a little bit of pepper on it, and it's really good. It's so good. You have to try it. If you try it, please let me know, because it is amazing. So for this month, it is the color black, because I kind of was in this dark state this month, which is, I'm not gonna get into it, but basically whatever I wore, I kind of leaned more towards black. So I guess black was my favorite color for this month a lot. So black was my favorite color for March, which is okay, I guess. Yeah. So that is it for you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Can't wait to do more of these kinds of videos. They're just more like chill, just like what your favorite products are. So if you're new to my channel, please like and subscribe for more of this lovely content. It's a low-key mess, but you know what, that's fine. And if you return to my channel, hello again. Hi, how are you? I hope you're doing well. Bye, see you in my next video.